Hello everyone, welcome to another quick ChatGPT video. In this video, I will show you how to check if ChatGPT wrote an essay, and you can basically check it out if the essay that your student maybe submitted in school is fake or not, right? Or whether the essay was basically written by AI, right, or human. So as you can see, I created here in ChatGPT one command which says create a short essay on making money online. Now I can copy this essay, right, and I can basically paste it in GPT to output detector demo. Now this is actually a OpenAI, which OpenAI, if you don't know, created ChatGPT, and you can put the text right here, and basically it will say if it's fake or not. As you can see, there is 0.03% chances that this text is real. So it's 99% fake, as you can see. So if you go back to ChatGPT and if we generate something else, we can basically copy it right here or paste it right here, and we will get if it's fake or not. This is also working on the GPT-2 version, right? This is GPT-3 version, but this is basically the way how you can check if ChatGPT wrote an essay or not, or if an essay is AI generated or not, right? This is a very simple way how to do it. I will leave this in the description so that you can check it out and that you can use it for checking plagiarism, or for basically checking if the essay is fake or not. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short one, obviously, but this is basically how to check if ChatGPT wrote an essay or if an essay is fake or not. But thank you guys for watching.